Alright, in this problem we're asked to write the equation of the line that passes through the points negative 10, 9, and it's parallel to the line 6x plus 5y equals negative 10. Now I just want to let you know quickly, these two vertical bars you see right here, they're the symbol for parallel lines. They're used a lot in geometry, but I just use it here. So whenever you see these two lines, think parallel lines. Now, in order to write the equation of a line, we need a point and a slope, so that we can use the point-slope formula. And here we're given a point, but we don't have a slope. However, remember that we can find the slope of the line by first rewriting this equation in slope-intercept form. So for 6x plus 5y equals negative 10, the first thing we can do is subtract 6x from both sides. So subtract 6x, and we get 5y equals negative 6x plus 10. And notice that I put the x term first on the left side of the equation because in slope-intercept form, the x term comes first. Now just divide both sides of the equation by 5, and we get y equals negative 6/5 x. Negative 10 divided by 5 simplifies to negative 2. So now we have the equation y equals negative 6/5 x minus 2. And it's important to understand when we're writing an equation of a line parallel to this line, in this case 6x plus 5y equals 10, we're going to be using the same slope. So whenever you see the symbol parallel, like I showed you up here, think same slope. So we're just going to use this slope of negative 6 over 5, and we're going to use this slope in our point-slope formula with our point negative 10, 9. So I'm just going to write our point-slope formula up here. You should have this memorized, but it's y minus y1 equals m times parentheses x minus x1, where x1, y1 is our point, and m is our slope. So we have, and our point, is x, comma, y. So we're going to have y minus y1, or y minus 9, equals m, our slope, which is negative 6/5. Remember, parallel means use the same slope, times parentheses x minus x1, or x minus negative 10, which can be thought of as x plus positive 10. Now our next step here is going to be to distribute the negative 6/5 through both terms inside the set of parentheses. So we're going to get y minus 9 equals negative 6/5 x, and then we're going to get negative 6/5 times positive 10. And now when we're multiplying negative 6/5 times positive 10, the 5 and the 10 reduce to 1 and 2. So we have negative 6 times 2, which is negative 12. Now, in this problem, it did not say whether you want to keep your answer in point-slope form, slope-intercept form. So I'm actually going to convert the equation to standard form. So to convert the equation to standard form, we cannot have any fractions in it. So our first step is going to be to get rid of the fractions by multiplying both sides of the equation by 5. That's going to give us 5y minus 45 equals, when we have negative 6/5 times 5, the 5's cancel, so we have negative 6x. And negative 12 times positive 5 is going to be negative 60. Now, in standard form, we, just as a quick review, it's ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers, and a, the coefficient of the x term, must be positive. So we're going to actually add 45 to both sides to get our numbers on the right. So we have 5y equals negative 6x. Oh, I'm just going to fix that. Equals negative 6x. And then negative 60 plus 45 simplifies to negative 15. Now we're just going to add 6x to both sides of our equation. We're going to get 6x plus 5y equals negative 15, which is the equation of our line in standard form. Now, in case you needed slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b form, I'll just convert that for you quick. So this is going to be standard form. The slope-intercept form is going to be, so I'm just gonna write the equation again, 6x plus 5y equals negative 15. So we're gonna subtract 6x from both sides. We're gonna get 5y equals negative 6x minus 15. Now just divide both sides by 5 to get y equals negative 6/5 x minus 3. And that's going to be our equation. Notice that we have the same slope. And this is going to be our answer in slope-intercept form. So whatever way your teacher or your worksheet wants it, you can use one of these two answers.